Today we discuss about the minors and cofactors of the determinants. In the last video, we just introduced the determinants and how can we evaluate the determinants value. In the determinants value, we observe that the essential condition for the determinant is your square matrix. The number of rows and number of columns are equal. That's called a square matrix. So here one of the most important property we can say that in the determinants is minors and cofactors. First of all, we find the minors when there are 2 rows and 2 columns where it's order 2 into 2. Now let's just see how can we find this minors. This is minor is represented in M11 form. 1-1 form means first row and first column. This first row and first column I will take out, then the remaining element is 3. So I will write here 3. In the second one is M12. In M12, I just take it the first row and second column, and the remaining element is 4. Similarly, with this M13 is I will take the M21 because that's 2 into 2, so that's it's M21, and M21 is represented is just like this, it's -2. And similarly, when we take the M22 means second row, second column means we are taken just like this and it is equal to 1. So this is the find out, we just find that's our minors. Now we find the cofactors of this with the help of this minors. Here similarly there is M11 means first row, first column. We already discussed this time. This is C11, and a definite relation to find this cofactor is Cij means I row and j column is -1 I plus j, and this I plus j means the number of rows means 1, and it is suppose 1 this first column, and if it is first row and second column then 1 plus 2. If you take the second row and first column 2 1 and 2 2 and so on, so this is equal to C11 is -1 1 plus 1, and that is equal to what is the value of M11, and the value of M11, the numerical value is 3, because in -1 if the power is even then we say yes it is our plus, and if it is minus means odd number -1 to the power 3 -1 to the power 5 then it becomes minus. So this is equal to plus, and the value of M11 is 3. Similarly with this C12 a number of times in our textbook also we will represent them in the form of A, and A is represented as a cofactor. C just take it because it's a starting from C, that's why I'm taking C1. If you take the A11 in our just like in textbook and CRT, you will take this A11 or A12, that is equal to -1 1 plus 2 and M12. This -1 to the power 3 that is equal to minus, and M12 is 4. This minus sign is very important. Alternate plus minus is coming, and this is C21 means it is C21 -1 second row plus first column, that is equal to M21, and that is equal to minus, and his -2 is +2. Here we observe that the power of -1 is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3, means -1 to the power 3 is minus, and this minus and this minus becomes plus. And after that, this A22 is equal to -1. 2 plus 2 is equal to M22 is equal to your plus 1, because the power of -1 is 4. It's even term, that's why it's coming plus, and that's to find the cofactor with the help of our minors. Now we discuss about third row and third column, 3 rows and 3 columns, third order determinants. Now after that, 3 columns. How can we find the minors and cofactors? First of all, we find the minors. Here, just like the previous case, first row, first column means we have just taken his first row and first column. And therefore, the remaining elements are of course a square matrix 7, 1, that is equal to 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. In the previous video, we just discussed about this is the leading diagonal and subtracted by the remaining elements. And therefore, what's about his M12? M12 means first row and his second column, and remaining is 1, 0, 3, 1. And that is equal to 1 minus 0 is 1. Its M13 is first row and his second column, so that is equal to 1, 5, 3, 7. That is equal to 7 minus 15 is minus 8. After that, this M21 is equal to, this is second row and first column, that is 2, 6, 7, 1. That is equal to 2 minus 42 is minus 40. This second row, second column. So this is second row and second column, that is equal to 0, 6 and 3, 1. And therefore 0 minus 18 is equal to minus 18. This is 2, 3 means second row and third column, that is equal to 0, 2. 3, 7, that is equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6. And 3, 1 is your third row and first column, that is 2, 6, 5, 0. That is equal to minus 30. That is minus 30. Then M32, that is equal to your third row and third column, and therefore it is just written 0 and 6 and 1 and 0, that is equal to your 0 minus 6 is minus 6. And similarly for M33 is equal to 0, 2 and 1, 5 is equal to your 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Here, now we find the cofactors of these 3 rows and 3 columns. It's very simple. Just like the previous case, same rule is applicable. Cij is equal to minus 1, I plus j and mij. So, here we can write in place of m, we will write cofactors a11, and that is equal to minus 1, 1 plus 1 is m11, and that is equal to plus, because I already told you when the power of minus 1 is even, then it is plus. And what is the value of m11 is 5. What's about the cofactors? First row and second column, that is equal to minus 1, 1 plus 2, m12 is equal to, because its power is odd number, so that is equal to minus 1. What's about the a13? a13 is minus 1, 1 plus 3 is a13, and that is equal to yours minus 8, because the power of minus 1 is even. Now this a21 is equal to minus 1, 2 plus 1 is m21 is equal to, what is the value of m21? Minus 40, and because the power of minus 1 is odd number, so minus 40 is plus 40. What's about the m22? Means a22. a22, the cofactors is minus 1, 2 plus 2 is m22 is equal to plus, that is minus 18. So that is equal to minus 18. Then m23 is a23 is taken minus 1, 2 plus 3 is m23, and that is equal to minus 6. That is equal to plus 6. Here m31 is a31 cofactor, that is equal to minus 1. 3 plus 1 is m31 is equal to minus 30, because the minus 1 is your even number. So a32 is equal to minus 1. 3 plus 2 is m32 is equal equal to minus 6 is plus 6. And M33 means A33, the cofactor, is equal to minus 1. So 3 plus 3 is M33 is equal to minus 2. And this is the cofactors of the 3 rows and 3 columns. And in the next topic or next video, we solve some problems related with the minors and cofactors.